Finnish state-controlled Patria Group will AMV XP 8x8 armored vehicles to the Japan Ground Self-Defense Force, according to the Japan Ministry of Defense's report. The Ministry of Defense said in a release that Patria AMV XP 8x8 has been selected for the Japan Ground Self-Defense Force as their next wheeled armored personnel carrier 8x8 vehicle under the WAPC program. The selection includes manufacturing licenses of the vehicles in Japan, with a solid contribution to the local economy and technology development securing the supply and service in Japan. The Patria AMV XP 8x8 vehicles will be replacing the Type-96 8x8 armored personnel carrier vehicles which are currently in service by Japan Ground Self-Defense Force. The selection of Patria AMV XP 8x8 and our proven licensing model is a great proof of Patria's capability to deliver the latest technology and to enable local security of supply. Patria AMV XP 8x8 has successfully proven its superior performance, as well as its mobility and protection, in various crisis management missions, and Japan will be the 9th user country of Patria's AMV vehicle family. Patria has industry-leading experience of licensing and cooperation with local industries in many countries, and we are committed to this in Japan as well. The Japan Ground Self-Defense Force will receive state-of-the-art and high-performance Japanese-manufactured AMV XP 8x8 vehicles to support critical operations for decades to come, says Janne Räkköläinen, Senior Vice President of Market Area World at Patria. According to a press release from Patria, the company has worked for the WAPC program since 2018 and it has also established a local subsidiary, Patria Japan Limited, to support its activities in Japan. The next step in the program is license negotiations which will start immediately. Patria has a very strong heritage of providing services and high-technology systems engaging successfully with local industries and providing the local security of supply. Patria sees the selection of Patria AMV XP 8x8 as a great opportunity to further develop cooperation in Japan with new services and solutions as well as to establish long-term strategic partnerships with Japan and its industries.